welcome back in the kitchen. Welcome back in the kitchen. The kitchen is just your kitchen. It's not my kitchen. And today we make you a nice, lovely lemonade drink. It's the best of the best, and hopefully you will enjoy the recipe. Anyway, guys, today we making a lovely lemonade drink. It is summer. Time's gonna be really hot. Remember, I do the video about ice. Start to make ice and put it in the fridge. Because when we're making drink, we use a lot of ice inside of our drink. So hopefully guys you will enjoy the recipe. Leave your comments and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. We got more recipe, more and more and more. We're gonna pile up this summer, guys, with drink, food, barbecue, you name it. A lot of people request a lot of stuff. And remember, the cookbook is out now. Get your copy before summer finish. Because even I received 2 copies 2 days ago. Someone wanted me to sign it for them, so you just know what I'm talking about. People make business out there, guys. It's not about support, you know what I mean? And a lot of people been supporting Chef Ricardo, and they said because I do a good job. So anyway, thank you guys for all who support me so far. And I want to say we have a lot more guys. Welcome back today again with the cooking program with Chef Ricardo. Guys, today we're gonna show you how you can make yourself some lemonade drink inside of a blender. Make it really lovely and nice. As you can see, this is all of the ingredients which I have right here. I have a big glass, as you can see, massive glass. But this is my jug which I'm gonna put my lemonade inside of. I got some brown sugar, whole heap of ice. That's what I'm telling you. Get ready for summer. Guys, this is summer. We have a lot of juice coming, guys. Look at the amount of ice which we just crush up a while ago. If we have enough ice when it comes to the hot time right now. Anyway, first thing, let's get things rolling. We're gonna put some. First of all, I want to explain to you guys. I have some lemon, which I remove the skin from the lemon, and this is 2 lemon. I just remove the skin. Basically, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it straight inside the blender like this. As you can see, we're gonna put everything, about 2 of them inside the blender. We're gonna put half cups of brown sugar inside of the blender. Lovely. We're using brown sugar. Guys, this is awesome. Look at this. Nice. So, sugar inside. Let's put some water. We're gonna put, tell them what water we're using inside of it. This is 75 liter worth of water we are using inside of it, guys. Okay, nice one. So roughly that would have worked out to say 2-3 glasses of water we're using inside of it. Then we're gonna blend it for roughly 1 nice good 10 minutes. If you need more water, we will add more water. Enjoy it. Nice. So let's check it and see what's going on. Let's see. This is fine. That's okay. Lovely. So basically what we're gonna do now, we're gonna strain it and get rid of all of those trash which come out of it, guys. Hopefully you will understand what I'm. But basically, let's give it a taste and see. That's nice. Really nice. I might put a little bit more sugar inside of it, just a little bit more of brown sugar. So, blend it for roughly 1 next 3 more seconds. Let's give it a taste. Perfect. That is perfect. Remove this, put this at the side, and basically what you need to do, get a big glass, a big jug like this. As I said before, big jug like this, guys. Really nice. Pour it, take a look of time, and pour it inside of it like this. Nice one. I'm gonna strain it off right inside of it like that. That's gonna just beautiful and nice. I'm gonna serve it from this top right here, guys. This is really nice. As I can see, the brown sugar is more healthier. Some people use white sugar, but I love brown sugar drink. Nice. So I just finished straining it, and now what we're gonna do basically is to put some ice inside of the glass. Okay, guys, can see exactly what I'm talking about. Nice. So let's see what's going on right here. Let's put some ice. So I'm saying, in summer time, you have to have a lot of ice, guys. But this is the way we're gonna do it in summer. Nice one. Then next thing, the simple, basically cut a few pieces of lemon. Into some. Nice one. Let's put it straight inside like this, guys. Love it. That is outstanding. Beautiful. Really nice. So spoon. Lovely. Get my glass right here. A nice piece inside of it also. Beautiful. Look at this. We are talking about summer drink. We're talking about summer drink with Chef Ricardo. This is where it goes. Right in the kitchen. Right in the kitchen. This happened, guys. If you miss something like this, I'm telling you, you miss something totally different, guys. As you can see, this is why the reason why I'm saying you have to have a lot of ice in this summer, because when we make a drink, this is the way we make drink. A lot of ice, well cool, well chilled, tastes really nice, fantastic, guys. So hopefully you guys will enjoy the recipe and leave your comments. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. As we ever said, we have a lot more recipe like this coming up for you guys. Really nice and beautiful, as you can see, full of exactly what I'm talking about. Really nice. So guys, if you like the lemonade drink, leave your comments. It's summer and I'm telling you, you have to have a lot of ice in the fridge. I just did a video about ice, making a lot of ice, guys, and getting ready for summer. So basically, as you can see, the amount of ice inside of it, exactly what we're talking about. Lemonade with a lot of ice. Enjoy the recipe from Chef. Thank you very much. Bye bye. As I said, guys, welcome back in the kitchen. Welcome back in the kitchen. The kitchen is just your kitchen. It's not my kitchen. And today we make you a nice, lovely lemonade drink. It's the best of the best. And hopefully you will enjoy the recipe. Anyway, guys, today we making a lovely lemonade drink. It is summer. Time gonna be really hot. Remember, I did a video about ice. It's time to make ice, put it in the fridge. Because when we're making drink, we use a lot of ice inside of our drink. So hopefully guys you will enjoy the recipe. Leave your comments and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. We got more recipe, more and more and more. We're gonna pile up this summer, guys, with drink, food, barbecue, you name it. A lot of people request a lot of stuff. And remember, the cookbook is out now. Get your copy before summer finish. Because even I received 2 copies 2 days ago. Someone want me to sign it for them. So you just know what I'm talking about. People being business on it, guys. It's all about support, you know what I mean? And a lot of people being supporting Chef Ricardo, and they say because I do a good job. So anyway, thank you guys for all who support me so far.